Hi guys, VST here, VST Tech. This is Sanjiv from Twitter, and he posted the iPhone 14 Pro Max Mega Pill front on and the fully revealed in the bright light. And this, guys, looks just nothing more, nothing less but disgustful. I want to show you something, guys. So the user Sanjiv posted this on Twitter and it became viral. It really blew my mind, and I decided to get some of my old phones, guys, from the closet and just show you something and just ask you guys, this time don't let Apple slip with this. Don't buy the iPhone 14 Pro. Let me explain why. Okay, what I have here, guys, I have an iPhone 6s, then I have an iPhone 11. Here I have my son's Samsung Galaxy A32. Here I have my wife's A53 5G. Here I have the Pixel 6, and then, yeah, our most beloved gun of the wife, the S22 Ultra. And then, guys, here I have a very shuttered, though still functional, Samsung Galaxy S9 from Japan with Snapdragon, guys. Now you might wonder, why do I have all these phones, and who the hell am I to tell you to not buy the iPhone? Well, let me try to explain, guys. So you've seen how this thing looks in the bright light, the so-called dynamic pill. It really looks like in USB-C port. It's really awful. And I just want to give you some history, guys. So this here is the iPhone 6, guys, and just take a look at this, right? It just has something like this, guys. It's very not so intrusive, right? iPhone 6s, this was really a classic stylish design, guys. Okay, now let's continue with the iPhone 11, guys. This here is the iPhone 11, guys, and it is not so intrusive just because the whole notch is actually a piece of hardware. Now, Apple iPhone 14 Pro achieved this while putting some black pixels, and of course then they make this feature as a gimmick, the so-called dynamic island. So this is here the iPhone 11, all right, and it's really close, but it's better. This here, the Samsung Galaxy A32, just look at this, guys. It just has this water drop notch, right? The year is 2022. Let's take a look on the Samsung Galaxy A53. Still pretty much the same, guys. So take a look. Even the notch is smaller there. It's absolutely not intrusive, guys. So see what I mean here? You are using your phone, you have the fingerprint scanner, etc. A lot of the iPhone users out there are screaming and begging to really have something like Touch ID. Put it into the goddamn button and remove this awful notch and dynamic pill. See these guys here. See, absolutely not intrusive. Then we have the Pixel 6, guys. Pixel 6, all right? Even not the 6 Pro. See, take a look, guys. Absolutely not intrusive. Let me show you one of my favorite phones for this year. Yes, okay, it's a bit more intrusive. The camera is bigger there, but why? Because it's actually a very fancy and nice camera. And now, guys, let me show you this phone here, produced 2018, probably comes closest to the iPhone, but yep, still know why. See here, guys. It does have something like this. It's already there. I'm gonna show this also to the light so that you can just see this better. Maybe even put it here to the camera, okay, in front of the brown sunlight. Why does it look better? Because it has here these bezels, all right? And it's the same with this iPhone there, guys. I mean, and you know what? Yeah, it's not really like a full screen, but they look very symmetrical, guys. Not a problem at all. They look symmetrical and really people love it. So I'm just gonna take this one here and show it also to the iPhone 11. Probably one of the biggest notches still out there, but at least, you know, this is hardware black. This is plastic here. There is no screen there. Right, and of course no dynamic island. But is this dynamic island just a nice justification to sell the new iPhone 14 Pro? No, not really, guys. I'm not saying iPhone 14 is a bad phone, but I'm saying don't buy it. Don't let Apple slip with this. Give them a signal, and let's hope that they'll really do something. They'll produce an innovation 2023 while hopefully presenting the newest and the greatest and the most revolutionary iPhone 15 Pro, guys. If you are here for the first time, you might want to check some of my other videos, guys. See how many phones, how many years, right? And they all have these nice screens, very tiny water drop notches on the screen, right? The only phones that have big notches have a better implementation, and they don't have this dynamic island, which we're just making fun of. All right, guys, VST over and bye.